Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. However, if you are a child, this channel is set for 18 above. Anyways, here we are. The famous McDonald's at the end of Walking Street, aka Red Street, MacArthur Highway. We're going to take a stroll. We're going to take a stroll right up the world famous Red Street, also known as Walking Street. What it's going to be named after that, time will tell. Yeah, trike line here. They've done a great job. They've done a great job. I'm sure some of you guys followed some of the other vloggers here in Angeles City, and I've watched them make this, redo this whole entire street. I've seen it redone a couple times. Remember when they had the red tile going up through here, sidewalk, the stars of those that donated. But yeah, I mean, it does look nice. I got the light strung across here now. It does look nice, but I wonder what's going to happen when it rains. That's all sand in between all those blocks, all them bricks. Wonder what'll happen, because it does tilt downhill, so water runs downhill, so we'll see what happens. But it does look nice. Let's just stroll through here. 59.20 is the peso rate on the US dollar. What's that called now? Western Fields Sports Bar. A lot of some things have changed, but nothing really changes. Just the names, right? Wonder what happened in here. What happened in here? They used to have vendors down through here, and it looks like everything has changed. And you got your salons back in here. You got a Club A back in here. Stella Bar back in here. But yeah, they kind of looks like they got rid of all the food vendors that were sitting in through here. Morning. Yeah. That kind of looks like that came out of one of the clubs, one of the bars, the seats. Look at that. Look how dirty they are. And to think, when you go into clubs, you you sit in that on that. But yeah, it was nice in here. You wanna know what happened? Out of stock, out of business. All right, let's head up the road. ATM machine there. It is about 7:30. Gotta get up here early in the morning. There's really nobody up here except for trash laying on the sidewalk for the garbage guys to pick up. How are you? Get up here early and have to worry about things. Korean restaurant back in there. Photo Mimi, I can't believe that's still open. Can't believe that is open. I remember when they built that. You go in there and dress up and wear outfits and get a Mimi. Walk around hotel is still there. I still remember the mynah bird they had out there. Had a mynah bird that would sit out there and it would mock. It would mock things. People would, you could hear it yelling, trike, trike, bang it means ugly. But it was gone. Aurora Bar. Dragon Bar. Thought that, if I'm not mistaken, wasn't there a red dragon and a blue dragon that went up the steps there? I haven't even come down here at night. One time, but it was around 7 o'clock or so. Lit and I walked down through here, and kind of dead. Gossip is still up and running. See, they got these sidewalks here. What is the plan with the sidewalks? Why did they shrink the road? They're gonna start bringing seats out here and outside dining. But here's your drains right here. See, and there's a lip, so the water's gonna flow right down through there. It'll be interesting. I won't be here to see it. Wow, whiskey or bar whiskey? Duh. Bar whiskey. Puffin chick vape and apparel. There's a lot of those around. A lot of the vape places. Prestigious Skin. Korean restaurant here. Good restaurant. We've eaten there in the past. Bliss Bar. The only thing that changes is the names. The names of the bars. Some are still here. On exchange, $59.90. That's higher than the other one. You can see that Egyptian. That Egyptian. That's cool. A Reuben. Between a Reuben, you see a snake head up there. All right. But before, I think this building had that Egyptian theme look to it. And so did this one here, the Galaxy Hotel. At one point they had this like Egyptian look to it, and they tore it all down. I was like, damn, that was so cool looking. And you can see a Baccarat right there, but it's gone. It's all taken down. And I was like, damn, that's a damn shame, because it was so cool looking. But modern, they wanted to modernize it. The Galaxy Hotel is still closed. Elite Club over there. Remember when they remodeled that, built that? Here we go. Here, Hangout Resto and Bar. Looks like they're doing construction work there. There used to be a pharmacy in there. Well, that's gone. I said things just change. Names and buildings, and they go out of business. New businesses pop in. Arcadia Bar. I think back in here, let me walk up here. I think Jeff the Barber is back in here. I could be, yep, Jeff the Barber. Everybody likes Jeff the Barber. Right here, Jeff the Barber. I know a lot of people that go see Jeff, get a haircut by Jeff the Barber. Well, here's the Philippines national anthem being played right now. Maybe it's 8 o'clock. Could be 8 o'clock. Cosplay. Even on Sin City Street, they will play the national anthem at 8 o'clock. Cosplay, that's been there as long as I can remember. Madonna, that was being built. I went in there as they were building that. That's up and running. Closed. Amsterdam Hotel. Ah, yeah. Here's the trash. I just put the trash out. You got the Grand Central Hotel, where Pappy's little eating place used to be. You got the Viking. Hello, good morning. Viking Club here. And we got to get by there because of the music. Money changers. Tattoo shops. Bananarana. Champagne Bar. We're looking to hire good-looking girls. Applicants need to be the age of 23 to 33, slim and have a friendly attitude. Daily salary will be $195 to $340 with a 6-working week. Working hours are 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. Good commission will be paid. Why are they getting a salary of $195 to $340 when bar fines are at what, 5,000 pesos? Well, who gets that money? Shooters. Nothing changes through here. See, that's Angelwood. Somebody won't argue with me, but we weren't quite sure why. Somebody said it was voodoo. I said, no, it's Angel Witch. So it is Angel Witch Club Access. Still up, still running. Kokomo's. There's like one person up there. So I say, get up here early. I don't want to be arguing with people and people giving me looks and people saying things to me about walking up the walking street or Red Street. It is still a public place. Until it is deemed a private place, it's still considered a public place. And I will not argue with you. Club Lucifer. Masquerade, like they put some dining area up there so you could sit up there. La Bamba. Avalon here. Oh, lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly. Now these bars here, besides maybe Masquerade, I don't know. La Bamba, Lollipop, Geckos has been there a while. The Owl's Nest has been here for a while. K-Pop Lounge, KTV. KU Bar. All right. Dollhouse. Dollhouse has all been redone. I think they had their grand opening already. It looks nice. Nice and painted. It's a good looking front to that club right there. Dollhouse. Got their big generator. Yeah, very nice looking front. Carousel Bar. Club Sky again. They named this bar again. I forget what it was called, but I asked, and they said, well, it got shut down. It got reopened. Got shut down. Got reopened. Now it's open again. So, anyways, oh, there he is. There he is. The famous guy. The famous Adrian.
Yes, sir.
I like your shirt, Pink Floyd.
Oh.
What do you got to say, Adrian?
Yeah, I got a shout out.
All right, let's
shout
hear your
out to
shout out.
Rosemary Conwell. Shout out to Roman Ari from Austin, Texas. Shout out to Edgar and Ginny Cruz from Virginia Beach. Shout out to Rick from Missouri. Shout out to MS Shipwreck. Shout out to Tex Wrangler. Shout out to Joel Patria. Shout out to Babes Life in the US. Shout out to Slick Rick SF. Shout out to Mark Davis. Shout out to Johnny Jabba. Shout out to Don Pobre. Shout out to Single at 40. Shout out to Philly in the Philippines.
There it is.
All right.
There it is. Adrian, I met Adrian years ago, right over here. Right over here. He came up and I think he was trying to sell me a t-shirt.
yeah. During pandemic, yeah.
During excuse me, pandemic.
Yeah.
And since then
we became friends.
Yeah. And then now he's world famous.
Oh.
Literally world famous. People see you all over the world.
Really?
Sure.
I don't know that.
Because we have subscribers. Canada, Australia,
yes.
The States,
Mm-hmm.
Germany, the UK, Ireland. That's world famous.
Thank you.
That makes you world famous, so. All right, everybody. Guess who I have run into?
Hello.
Anna. I run into Anna. She is doing well. Matter of fact, when I first got here, I went into the mall to use the bathroom, and Anna was sitting in there, remember? And I took a picture.
Yes.
Yeah. So how are you doing, Anna?
I'm good now after all of the suddenly coming here, like when I was afraid something so much. Now I'm good now. No fighting. Many people, sometimes the people killing their child here.
What?
Yes.
Why do they do that? That's bad.
They push their child, and many here sincerely rape, overdose. But me, I was given a chance to see, and then just given money. And
Do you have any children?
me, my child was now walking.
Oh, so you have a child that's now walking.
Now get now by my family because he is so much smart.
Where's your child? In the province?
Province,
What province?
Bulacan.
Bulacan.
Yes.
Well, I'm glad you're still doing okay. A lot of people said make sure I'd see Anna when I come here because
Yes.
they worry about you.
Yes.
They want to make sure you're okay.
Mhm.
So, and you're no longer living in the car anymore.
No.
What they do? Evict you? Did you not pay rent in the car?
No. I was just succeeding seeing them, then giving me a little bit money, so now it's happy.
But you're still staying on the street.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Well, Anna, it's definitely good to see you. I'm glad to see you're doing okay.
Yes.
But you're doing as good as you can do. You're a survivor.
Yes.
You're a strong survivor of
Yes,
Angeles
sir.
City. So, have you found a boyfriend yet?
No,
Why not?
I don't like.
You don't like a boyfriend?
Much nicer to have yourself here. Nice, good.
Yeah. All right, Anna. Thanks for anything you want to say to
Yes.
everybody.
I just wanna say, be good, stay healthy, and no one will do harm to you. Just stay good to yourself.
All right, Anna. Oh yeah, good to see Anna. Like I said, I seen her right when we arrived here. I went into the mall to use the CR, and here she was sitting, and she jumped up and she recognized me, and yeah, she's a survivor. She's a strong survivor, you know. I don't know her whole story because it changes all the time, but she's been here quite a long time. But I wanted to shoot up this street here, the old Tequila Reef there. Shoot up this street real quick, tell you what's going on here. I had a lot of construction there, and that sucks because if you're staying in that hotel and you're on this side with the balcony, now you got to look at that building there. That's crazy. Anyways, let's stroll up through here. I mentioned this in one of my videos about that building there. That's coming along after all these years. After all these years, they're finally it's showing progress. Crystal Palace here on the right. Miko's Lounge on the right hand side. I heard a lot of stories, a lot of rumors in these 3 weeks we've been here. What do you believe, what don't you believe, right? Yeah. Busy side street here. One of the things, you know, they paved the roads over to concrete. So I rented a scooter, and boy, you gotta watch. It's a big bump and it'll throw you off. There used to be a pool hall here. Pool hall here. Oh, there it is. Well, it says a pool hall. A little calendaria there. Clothing all along here. I don't know if that's still a pool hall in there. Tropics Bar for lease. Oh Nana Bar. Got the old Nana. Oh Nana. Where's my Nana at? And here's the parking for Orchid Inn. Orchid Inn is still up, still running, still kicking. I don't think that'll ever go anywhere. Got a massage place here. Ocean Bar. This must be Korean bars because there's Korean writing on it. And Dave's Kebab here on the corner is out of business. Or, hello. Dave's Kebab is gone. It's not there no more. Don't know what happened. But I know Dave's Kebab. A lot of people liked eating there. So, once again, I heard a bunch of rumors. Don't know if they're true or not. Never talked to Dave to find out. But yeah, Dave's Kebab, there it is, for lease. If interested, please call. And then you got the Las Vegas here. I just think that is one of the coolest buildings. It still has that old look to it. Like I was saying earlier, that Egyptian look up on Walking Street that used to be there. But I think that's cool that they kept that look. It is so cool looking. To me, that's cool looking. Anyways, then you got Mother India and you got Phillies down here on the left. So anyways, guys, I gotta go eat breakfast. Well, it wouldn't be a trip to Angeles City without seeing the famous Junior. What are you, what? Holy cow, you're giving enough coins to make a payment on his Mercedes-Benz he has.
Yeah.
What are you driving nowadays, Junior? Mercedes-Benz? Porsche? Jaguar? Lamborghini?